Good morning, I am Anika and you're watching Travel World Online TV. Here are the top travel and tourism headlines making news today. Indigo signals higher airfares as fuel costs surge amid Middle East tensions. Air India Express launches direct Bengaluru to Phuket flights. ICPB announces 15th Convention India Conclave 2026 at Bharat Mandapam. Coimbatore to host Skoal India National Congress 2026 for the first time. The hosteler partners with Trends to blend travel and fashion experiences for young Indians. Vietjet to launch Hanoi to Prague flights expands Asia to Europe network. Now, news in detail. We begin with a massive boost to India's urban mobility and regional connectivity. The Union Cabinet has greenlit a wave of metro rail and airport development projects worth over 34,000 crore rupees. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced that this takes the total infrastructure approvals past 1.54 lakh crore rupees since the start of the government's third term. The approvals include Bengaluru Metro Phase 3, the Thane Integral Ring Metro Project and the Pune Metro Phase 1 extension, and the development of new civil enclaves at Bagdogra Airport in West Bengal and Bita Airport in Bihar. The largest of the approved projects is the Namma Metro in Bengaluru, which has been sanctioned at an estimated cost of 15,600 crore rupees, and Pune Metro Phase 1 from Swargate to Katraj at an estimated cost of 3,000 crore rupees. On the aviation front, new civil enclaves are coming up at Bagdogra and Beta airports to supercharge connectivity in eastern India. Moving to the skies, air travel is about to get pricier. India's largest carrier, Indigo, has signaled that rising fuel costs driven by Middle East tensions will likely mean higher airfares. Indigo's Rahul Bhatia noted that while passenger demand remains resilient, the airline must raise fares to protect profitability against mounting jet fuel costs. However, it's not all bad news for flyers. Air India Express has officially launched direct flights between Bengaluru and Phuket. Operating 4 times a week, this marks a major expansion for southern India's holidaymakers heading to Thailand. Next up, India's MICE and tourism sectors are gearing up for a massive second half of 2026. The India Convention Promotion Bureau has announced the 15th Convention India Conclave at Bharat Mandapam in Delhi. Coimbatore is all set to host the Skoal India National Congress for the very first time in August, focusing heavily on sustainable tourism. The Congress will bring together industry leaders to position India as a global business events hub. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya government is accelerating its community-based tourism strategy, aiming to set up 3,000 homestays and create 15,000 jobs by 2028. And finally, the hosteler has partnered with Trends to launch style curation for young Indian travelers. And looking globally, Vietnamese low-cost carrier Vietjet is expanding into Europe. The airline will launch direct flights connecting Hanoi to Prague starting October 10, operating twice weekly via Kazakhstan. That's your youth and infrastructure update for today. Stay tuned.
You are watching Travel World Online.